Y'all are on a boat, and y'all are trying to catch birds.
No, they're on the line.
Good job. Okay, there you go.
Fishing for birds.
Fishing for birds! Fishing for birds. There you go.
I don't know how to do this.
Nobody does.
The best part about it, you're fishing, you're doing something
Oh, we
new.
gotta fish for birds.
Y'all are fishing for
Cast the
birds.
line out.
And you're gonna be rocking.
Get in!
Grace, and you gotta be rocking the whole time.
Yeah, we gotta be
Okay,
yeah,
ready.
Ready, 1, 2, go.
Wait. Oh. Okay. Do you know how to do this?
Do I know you?
Okay, no. But okay, so today we're gonna fish for birds, okay? I thought we were pelicans. We can fish for pelicans too. Okay?
Good.
Alright. So first here.
What about flamingos?
Not today. Are you sure? Just take your rod and it'll all be okay.
Where's my rod?
It's already in your hand.
No, it's not. Where's my rod?
It's right there.
Felix, where's my rod?
I didn't know my name was Felix.
I changed it.
Alright. Can you pick up your rod now? Okay, I'll pick up mine. Okay.
How do you hold it?
Wait, you gotta hold it.
Baseball bat rope.
Ew! That is not right.
Okay. Hold it. I'm gonna try it again. Try it again.
No, look,
Go.
ow! No, you're not trying to catch me.
Yes, I am. You're a pelican.
I'm not a pelican.
You're a pelican.
All right, but we're not fishing for no pelicans no more. Okay?
Flamingos it is.
All right, flamingos. Okay? Now, you gotta hold it like this, right? You see that button over there?
No. What button?
It's right here.
Sorry.
That hurt!
Press the button, so I snapped the button.
Fine.
The button over here is over there!
Okay.
All right, hold it like this. Press that button. Press that button over there. Okay. And then after you press the button, I'm sorry, I'm so short.
Right now, it's not a therapy lesson.
I just wanted to tell you that.
No. You know what I gotta tell you? You know what? Do you have any purple flags?
As a matter of fact, I do. That one.
No, I want a purple smoothie.
A purple smoothie.
No. Where's the button?
Okay, the button's right
Right there?
No! Stop hitting me! Okay, it's right. Okay, look at mine. Look at mine. Okay, it's right here. Okay,
Right here.
And now you gotta.
No, you gotta.
You gotta take it like this.
Rock.
And then you gotta take it like this, and then you press the button, and you just throw it out like that, okay? And then you release the button, okay? Again. No, you do it that way, fool! Ow, the stupid fries.
Which one is that way?
Oh my gosh, you're.
Northeast, southwest, woman, never eat soggy waffle. Which one? Which one is it? Tell me now.
Look, are you trying to harass me because I'm short or something? I told you I was sorry.
Watch out! I'm not a therapist.
Lies. All right, well. Quick, do the Macarena, do it.
One, number two.
You're not doing the Macarena.
I'm trying to.
Well, quick, I said quick.
Do you want a jazz lesson?
I thought we were fishing for flamingos.
Tell your grizzly bear to stop making moonshine in my car. It's my car, my grizzly bear.
Oh, it's my grizzly bear.
No, it's my. I took it. I stole it from you.
Then why are you whining about my grizzly bear when it's your grizzly bear? I thought we were fishing.
It was my moonshine.
I stole it from you too. Look, I thought we were fishing.
Pelicans, okay.
Oh, no, flamingos.
No. I'm a pelicans. The pelicans can bite you. Pelicans, flamingos, but pelicans are.
Okay. Just like you, right? Okay, now you cast it, you throw it, you hold it. Hold the button. Okay, ready?
Holding off my anger.
Ready? Yeah. And let's just go home.
That's it.
Okay, cut.